Hey everyone, welcome to Heaven Nicole Cooks. So today we're going to be making a Pokeball pizza. Yes, that's right, you heard me, a Pokeball pizza. I was obsessed with Pokemon as a kid, okay? And I've been seeing this pizza everywhere on Instagram, so I knew that I had to make one for myself. I don't have any children. I'm a big kid at heart, you know, so I made this for me and my husband. But one day whenever I have kids, they're going to be like, my mom is kick ass, okay? So anyways, fast forward. I am mixing up the pizza dough. Now, I don't have time to make my own pizza dough. Maybe one day on this channel I'll make some. But I just got these two packages at Walmart. They were like 56 cents a piece. And essentially you just add a little bit of warm tap water to the mix a little bit at a time as you're stirring it up until you get the perfect consistency for pizza dough. So now I'm just going to press this out. I did spray my pan beforehand, and I sprayed my hands a little bit with some Crisco spray because I don't want that pizza dough to get stuck to my hands, and this pizza dough was a little tacky. So if you can find the pre-made pizza dough in your store, okay, buy it. I suggest that you buy it because it's going to make your life a lot easier, okay? And my store was out of the pre-made stuff for whatever reason. So now I'm just taking a fork and I'm piercing that pizza so that way whenever it's baking it can get more crispy, if that makes sense. And I'm going to sprinkle some Italian seasoning because I love Italian seasoning, like on everything. And I was cooking mine at 400. I only put it in for half the time. So I let it cook for about 6 minutes. And now I'm putting sauce on top of it. You can choose whatever sauce you like. I know some people are picky about their sauce, so go for whatever pleases you and your family. Okay, so now we're going to add some of that mozzarella goodness. Yes, I love cheese. And we're going to cover the whole pizza with that cheese. Now, if you're vegan, don't feel left out on this pizza because you can make this completely vegan or vegetarian, you guys. They have veggie pepperoni. They have cheese substitutions, you know. You could even use bell pepper, like a red bell pepper, in place of the pepperoni if you desired. So I have pepperoni and black olives and mozzarella cheese on this pizza. That is all you need because the red part represents the red part of the Pokeball, and I totally forgot what I was saying in the middle of that. The pepperoni represents the red part of the Pokeball. The cheese is the white portion, and the black olives represent that line across the Pokeball that leads up to the button. You know what I'm talking about. All the geeks will know what I'm talking about, okay? I know some of you are like, what the hell is she talking about? But just look at a picture of a Pokemon ball and you will understand. So, first things first, I'm taking my olives and I am just putting them in a line form with like a circle in the middle. Okay, perfect, perfect. Now we're going to add that pepperoni or whatever you want to add. And you know what? You could do a Christmas version. All you would have to do is put your pepperoni on there and then add green olives instead, and bam, that's a Christmas Pokeball, baby. Okay, so I'm just adding that pepper. I love pepper. I'm just adding that up there, making it all yummy, covering that half of the pizza, you know, what and whatnot. And anyway, we're going to pop this back into the oven. We're going to let all that stuff, you know, cook and get melted. The rest of the pizza crust is going to finish cooking. Please hit that subscribe button, you guys. Yes, mine is a little colored, but oh, it's so yummy. It's so yummy. It's good.